Welcome to 2092 Riverside Drive. Set on a spectacular 11,000 square foot lot, this incredible resort-like property is just steps from the Seymour River. I'm Bernadette Dunnigan. Come on and let me take you on a tour. There's over 4,000 square feet on 2 levels. This main floor has open concept living and gorgeous vaulted ceilings. There's 4 bedrooms on this 1 level, and the master suite has its own wing. This property is so special. Set on a 1/4 of an acre, the river and the trails are at your doorstep. So on the lower floor, there are 2 more bedrooms, a meeting room, a rec room, and a temperature-controlled wine cellar.